We're going to start with some bright lemon zest. Smash your garlic and mince it up real quick.
Slice a lemon and wedges ready to go.
Then chop fresh parsley. Now we're going to split the chicken. Cover it and pound it thin for that perfect cook. Crack 2 eggs, season, and then whisk. Then get a little bit of oil and butter into the pan. Then what I like to do is flour egg flour. Make sure to keep one wet hand and try to keep one dry hand. Listen to the sizzle. And a quick little cleanup. Flip when golden brown. Hit it with white wine. Let it steam and deglaze the pan. And we're going to add stock, butter, fresh garlic, our capers, freshly squeezed lemon. Let that reduce. Season with salt and pepper. Once the sauce thickens, place the chicken back into the sauce. Give each piece of chicken a good old baste. Add some of that fresh green parsley. Let's plate. Oh, I forgot to mention, you might want to try these white truffle potatoes. They are to die for.